we can classify reactions by whether they release energy or absorb energy. So let's say you're carrying out this combustion reaction. And it feels warm. So if it feels warm, we know that the reaction has a higher temperature than you, so heat flows from the reaction to you. That means the fire has a negative Q and you have a positive Q. In this reaction, this is the reaction of vinegar and baking soda. Let's say you carry out this reaction. And this reaction actually feels cold. It is taking energy from you and transferring it to the reaction. So you now have a negative Q because you're losing heat, and the reaction has a positive Q because it's gaining heat. We call the reaction on the left exothermic. And this means energy is released during the reaction. So how do you know if a reaction is exothermic? Well, it feels hot. And that's because the reaction has a negative Q. It is releasing energy. It feels hot to the touch. It's losing energy. On the right, we have what is called an endothermic reaction. And in this reaction, energy is absorbed during the reaction. So for this reaction to happen, energy must be absorbed, and therefore it needs to take that energy from its surroundings. If you're holding it, energy will be removed from you and it feels cold. And this reaction has a positive Q value associated with it. And this is actually why things feel hot and cold. Things feel hot if they release energy to us. Things feel cold if they absorb energy from us, if they take energy away. Exothermic, exo, means outside, so energy, temperature is being released outside. Endo means inside, so that means energy is going into the reaction.